Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on my channel. Today we're going over systems of equations. And before we dive into this, I just want to thank you guys for 100 subscribers. It's been really hard to reach this goal, and well, hopefully we could keep going and keep moving on. And hopefully, with enough subscribers, I'll be able to reach more people and help them out with their math struggles. So today we're going into systems of equations. This is a very common kind of question on big tests like the SAT and stuff. It's also on smaller tests that your teacher just may give you. But there's two methods for actually, let's go over them first. There are two equations that have x and y's in them, and they're equal to set numbers. Your goal is to find the x and the y, and then the answer is always an x, y form like that. So there's two main methods: substitution and elimination. I'm going to go over substitution first. So for substitution, it's when one equation is equal to let's say in this one, this equation is equal to a y, and the other equation has that y inside of it. So it's basically when one equation could go into the other. So it goes 3x plus y equals 10. And then we learned that y is equal to 2x plus 1. So that actually makes it 3x plus 2x plus 1 equals 10. Then from those, we get 5x plus 1 equals 10. From this, we subtract 1, and then we get 5x is equal to 9. Divide both by 5, and we get x equals 9 over 5. So now we can put the first part of our equation, or the first part of our answer. We have 9 over 5, comma. And now we need to find the y. For this one, we could just plug this value into this other equation. So 2 times 9 over 5 is equals to 18 over 5. Plus 1 is the same as adding 5 over 5. So 18 over 5 plus 1 is equal to 18 over 5 plus 5 over 5, which is equal to 23 over 5. That means y is equal to 23 over 5. You could also put this in regular form. I'm just going to leave it in improper. I can make another video on transferring it, but I'm just going to leave it like this. I have one practice problem for you guys. It is y is equal to negative 3x plus 7, and then 2x plus y equals 1. And now we're going into elimination. This one's a bit harder to explain, but it's pretty simple. It's when the two equations, they could be combined together, and a factor in those equations, factor in the equations or a term could be eliminated from both. So let's dive into this one. So if we add these two together and we get 6x, and then we have plus and minus 3y on both sides, that means we could just cross them out. And then we have to add those. So 6x is equal to 18. Divide by 6, and then we get x is equal to 3. Now we can plug this into either one. I'm going to do it on this one. So 2 times 3 equals 6, so we have x equals 3, and then we have a 6, and then we're going to plus the 3y equal to 12. Subtract 6, we get 3y is equal to 6, and then we divide by 3, we get y equals 2. That means we have 3, 2 for our final answer. And lastly, so that's how you do it. Do I have a practice problem for you guys? No. Well, I'm gonna edit something in real quick. Hello guys, like I said, I'm jumping into an editor right here. So the practice problem for elimination is 4x plus 5y equals 6, and negative 4x plus 3x equals 14. Use elimination to solve that, and let me know how you do in the comments below. Now back to the video. So next we have a real world problem. So this is something in real life that you could use. So for my example, it's Kenny has a tutoring program. For 1 hour, you could get it costs $30 for the base plan. But for a luxury plan, LP, it's $50. And what he does is he gets $290 over the course of 8 teachings. So that means x plus y teachings equals 8. And then you have 30x plus 50y equals 290. Sorry I explained that kind of bad. Hello guys, one more edit I just wanted to make in. Right here in the real world, I got the X and the Y. I said it kind of bad. The 8 is the total number of sessions, and the X and the Y are the different kinds of sessions. So you use those together to get this. So 8 is Kenny teaches a total of 8 sessions with a mixture of the base plan and the luxury plan. And then you have to solve the systems of equations, where $290 is the total amount you made over 8 sessions. Let me know in the comments below what the answer is to this, and see y'all in the next one. Back to the video. But hopefully y'all get the gist of it. This is my systems of equations video. Thank you guys for watching, and please check out my other videos. We finally hit 100 and I'm really proud of that, so thank you. And who knows, we could get even more. I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe, like, turn on notifications, and see y'all later.